A project can be a mess, finish late, cost more than planned, and deliver a product different from the original design. But if the outcome creates value for stakeholders, the project is a success. Value is a difficult concept because it is very subjective. In short, more you are willing to invest in terms of time, energy or money to get something, and more this thing has value for you. A project is successful if it produces value for its stakeholders. And the sooner this value is created, the higher is the probability of success. This means that while it is important to have a clear picture of the destination and to keep the eyes on the project roadmap, it is also important to focus on the journey experience. What I mean is that project managers focus too much on the final project outcomes and underestimate the importance of the value created during the project. And while I say this, I am aware that I can be accused of project management heresy. Everybody understands the project deliverables, the product or services developed by the project should create value. What is often missed is that the project itself should create value for its team members. Let's look at my YouTube channel, a very simple program where each video is a small project. What value does a video project create for the key stakeholders? You, the viewers, hopefully learn something or are intrigued by a new perspective. YouTube, the hosting platform, gets more engaging content and gains more users. Advertisers can associate their products to appealing videos. Other YouTubers get new ideas and benchmarks for developing their channels. But what about me? At this stage I earn no money, and there is no guarantee this will happen in the future. Am I supposed to look at my channel only as an investment for a possible future return? Yes, I obviously can dream about 1 million subscribers and 6 figures income, but to be sustainable, the project needs to supply motivation in form of continuous value creation. In my case, value comes from the learning experience. I can experiment with new creative challenges like filming, drawing, speaking in front of a camera, editing, and so on. No matter the number of views or subscribers, I'm amazed by how much I've already learned in a short period of time. I just watched back to back the first video I published 3 months ago and the last one. I'm astonished by the extent of the improvement. And here we come to the part that is often overlooked by project managers. It is the experience of working on the project that should create value for team members. What is more rewarding than learning new skills, approaches, and perspectives together with other people coming from a diverse background? I believe this applies to all kinds of projects. And this is another good reason for running a lesson learned session during every project. There is another huge advantage that comes by adopting this perspective of continuous and incremental value creation. The project is always a success, no matter the final outcomes. In fact, as a minimum, it's a success for the members of the project team who learned from their experience. Even if I decided to stop creating videos after publishing this one, my YouTube channel is already a huge success. Because I've learned so much and had a lot of fun too. I created value for myself and hopefully for you too. Thanks for watching.